provide sports, art, or nature activities, right? Memphis's first female-owned mortuary service offers kids an opportunity to learn about the death business.
A most unexpected summer camp, but this is a necessary occupation, obviously. Action News 5's Tavarius Haywood talked to the owners who say this camp will help keep young people safe.
To provide that space and to provide that experience for individuals is very rewarding.
Madeline Lyles and Dana Taylor are the owners of Afterlife Mortuary Services. They made history by becoming the first mortuary service established, owned, and operated by Black women in the city of Memphis. Now they are making history again by offering a one-of-a-kind summer camp to teach youth about death care.
It allows youth and young adults the opportunity to be exposed to different career fields, not just what we do, funeral directors and embalmers, but also other careers that surround what we do, like homicide detectives and forensic investigators.
In a place that lacks so many resources, Lyles says being in the heart of South Memphis allows them to reach youth who may not have these opportunities.
A lot of times you hear during the summer that children are victims to homicide or, they get engaged in the wrong things. And so just being able to provide a safe place and a place of education, a place to help advance and motivate them to keep going, amidst of what's going on around them is very rewarding for us.
Students will learn about cremation, embalming, how to arrange funerals, and how to respond to death calls.
They teach us how to, how to do what they do, and then they take us places to show us further on things that we could do and how to get started.
Taylor says this is one way to keep Memphis's youth safe and busy this summer.
Anything that we can do to occupy their time and to engage with them is definitely a step closer to reaching them and possibly saving their life.
Tavarius Haywood, Action News 5.
This summer camp started back in 2019. The camp runs through July 8th through July 19th. Registration still open now. Afterlife is taking donations to help students pay for this summer program. For more details, go to our website, actionnews5.com.